Hi and welcome back to Infinity Coders channel. In this video, we will delve into how to fix the Android white or blank screen issues. So for some beginners, when we do set up the first Android code, let's say we are already setting up an Android code and we run the application, we could see there's a empty or white or blank screen issues. So that means everything is empty. There's nothing like button, text, or that there's nothing in the layout. So everything is empty. So if you do run out into this, so let's look into why this actually is a blank and what's the root cause of it. So let's say if you go into the main activity, if you go into the layout, we could see inside the layout what we have defined is we have no views defined in the layout. That means we have created a layout and this is the layout, but we have never defined any views in the layout. That's why it's actually empty and it's having a blank or empty screen. So to fix this, we could add a few views in the layout. For example, if I go into the design tab, yeah, there's a lot of under the palette. You can see there's a lot like text, buttons, widget, helper. So let's just go with a simple text. I drag and drop the text. And if you do go back to your code, you could see there's a text view. And let's say I've renamed this text view to become uh, just a simple hello world. So now if I run the hello world, we could see that now the text will be shown under the layout that we have created. Yep, you could see there's a hello world and now it's actually here. So let's say if you like to make it more centered, you can just give additional Android uh, text alignment. So you can position it center. So if I run this, now you can see the text will be actually at the center of the layout. We can also use a layout gravity center, but that's just centers the text view layout, but the text will not become as a center. Now we can see it's actually being centered. So I hope this video is useful for any beginners. If you do see an empty white or blank screen, it's due to we have no views defined in the layout. So with that, I hope this video is helpful. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more programming tutorials. Happy coding, see you in the next video.